Hello, my name is Audrey Weidman, and I have a question for you. Do you recognize when you're holding yourself back? Maybe you haven't taken advantage of an opportunity, or maybe you just choke when you try to speak up. It's a huge source of stress and disappointment for so many of us. What's likely holding you back could be a belief or set of beliefs that you have about yourself that was created when you were a child. You see, when we are, from the time we were born to about age 7, everything in our environment teaches us how to navigate the world. We're completely dependent upon our caregivers, and we're just trying to figure out the rules. But you know what? Sometimes when we're kids, painful things can happen. They happen and do occur. Could be something like your parents arguing and you as a little kid feel very unsafe about that. It could be kids teasing you about something that you wore or something that you said that makes you feel hugely embarrassed and ashamed of yourself. Or it might be something as bad as physical or sexual abuse. Those things have huge impacts on us as children and go right into our internal operating system. Because we are just really divinely made, we create these adaptive strategies to try to navigate the world, to make sense of it. So we might be doing things like becoming the quiet one. So we're not seen, we're quiet, then we're safe. Or it could be just the opposite. Maybe you need to be really extroverted and get out there and show off because you're craving approval that you might not otherwise get. Or, any number of strategies, like you might be a perfectionist or an overachiever because you never felt like you were enough. This is something I certainly had. So what I do is I help stressed out people that know that they have more in them, that really want to make a difference in the world. And they need some help discreating the beliefs that are holding them back and creating new ones instead. I do this with my stress transformation coaching. I help them find those beliefs that were disempowering. A lot of times it's going back and rescuing the inner child and giving that inner child a new belief so that the operating system can be upgraded, because now we're adults. We don't have to work on that same level of belief. It's just that it came in and it was cemented in usually by a lot of emotion and insecurity. And when we are threatened, we pay more attention to that than we do to anything else. So I assist my clients to upgrade their software. And it's that software that, had been sabotaging you, running in the background, but now you've recognized it, you've updated it. And we create a new transformative belief. And then I give my clients exercises with evidence-based techniques to really cement that new belief in, which will allow you to achieve and go for the things that you are meant for. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, please sign up for a 15-minute discovery session to see if we're a fit. I can tell you a little bit more about how it works. And I would really look forward to meeting you. It's one of the joys that I have in my life, is helping others to transform themselves to be more of their full potential. Thank you so much.